Model 1620 and 2020 are very low maintenance machines, featuring our 40-inch circular saw instead of a bar and chain type system. Using the circular saw, it eliminates bar oil, chainsaw sharpening, and replacement of bars and chains. The 1620 is a very fast machine with a 4.5 second cut-to-cut sequence. It efficiently processes between 2 and 3 full cords of firewood per hour. The 2020 is a larger version of the 1620. Everything is a little bit larger, a little bit more robust. It is also a very fast machine with a 4.0 second cut-to-cut cycle time. That machine produces between 2.5 and 3.5 full cords of firewood per hour. 1620 and 2020 have several key design features, including optional 3-strand live deck or 4-strand live deck for model 2020 SS. And both machines offer the dual joystick system, which on the 1620 is a mechanical style joystick valve, and on the model 2020 SS, it's electric over hydraulic with auto split option. A lot of customers look to Multitech for their first, second, third machines, and once you're part of the Multitech family, you stay with Multitech branded equipment because we have top-end service support and the best built machines available.